You can find some really good websites that act as the middleman between customers and online retailers. The cool thing is that they give you a percentage of the commission. The offers range from a couple of percents when you buy some clothes or book a hotel room to hundreds of dollars for signing up for a new mobile contract. Just remember that the websites don't always guarantee the money, so don't buy something through the cashback sites based only on the extra cash you'll get. In other words, make sure that the money is in your account before you spend it. Always keep in mind that the cashback deal isn't always the best one around. Check other sites and promotional offers, because you might find a more superior deal even without the cashback. Pay attention to the site's instructions and follow them carefully so you can build up a reasonable amount faster. Ebates for web, iOS, and Android. Ebates is a free affiliate marketing site and offers cashback to its members when they buy from their partner retailers, including Nordstrom, Panasonic, Groupon, and Amazon. They offer a bonus gift card of $10 if you use it at Macy's, Walmart, Target, or Kohl's, or $5 if you apply it at Ebates for your first purchase via Ebates. Ebates has a partnership with over 1,800 retailers and boasts of 10 million and counting members who have already benefited from about $1 billion in cashback rewards. Like Coupon Cactus, Ebates sends the cashback rewards once every 3 months. Members can opt to receive their money via check or through PayPal. Like many other similar sites, Ebates retailers offer different deals, but most of them give back a percentage of how much a member spends on the retailer sites. The average rates range from 1.5 to 2%, but some sites will offer up to 12% or even higher. One cool offer of Ebates is their double cashback deals, where some retailers give 2 times as much cashback as they normally offer. Honey or Honey Gold. Honey uses a browser plugin that searches and applies the best discount codes at store checkout pages and tracks Amazon price dips, though it works a little differently. Each award is a surprise, the company claims, because members won't actually know the cashback percentage until after they've bought from the sites. For example, it could be 1 to 5% on eBay, up to 10% at Walmart, and so forth. Their model isn't exactly straight up cashback. Members must accumulate points and later redeem them for gift cards, and only at around a dozen stores or so. You can use Honey Gold if you can't find a cashback option for one of the other groups. Shop at Home. Being in existence for more than 30 years, Shop at Home has helped 80 million users get discounts, offers, and cashback rewards from 4,000 online merchants that include Walmart, Ralph Lauren, and Crate & Barrel. With this site, you can save money on just about anything that you buy. The site pays cash back through Amazon gift cards, check, or PayPal. Creating an account is free and easy, and by doing so, you already start to earn a reward. Once you've logged in, you can start looking for online and in-store cashback deals. Remember that you must log into your Shop at Home account before visiting the retailer sites, or you may not get any cashback rewards even if you make a large purchase. Another way to earn cashback is by accumulating points in their Shop Gold Rewards program. This segment of the site gives points to members for answering surveys, playing games, and referring their friends to become members. $2,000 Shop Gold points equals $20 in gift cards. 4,000 points equals 40, and so forth. However, you can only redeem your gold rewards for gift cards only. They will not pay via check or PayPal. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts as well as calculators and other financial tools. Do you have any other ways to maximize your cash back? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get more free financial education videos.